Throwing petals like, do you love me or not? Head is spinning and you don't know when to stop. 'Cause you said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on. You leave me a rap, babe, but I still get the message. Instead of a line, it's 3 dots, but I can connect them. And if I ain't right, babe, you know I respect it. But if you need time, just take your time, honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. The way you got me all in my head, think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like, will you catch him or not? I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot. If I could get in, drop me up in, hop in the whip and come over. Don't wanna be friends, just in the skin. I wanna get closer and closer and closer. The way you got me all in my head, think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं, लगी तेरी ही आस है. कैसी है ये बेबसी, ये कैसी दिल की प्यास है. छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन. नजरों में तुम हो बसे, कह दो जो तुम एक बार मेरे हो. बस तुम मेरे नजरों में तुम हो बसे. खड़ा हूँ आज भी वही, लगी तेरी ही आस है. कैसी है ये बेबसी, ये कैसी दिल की प्यास है. छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन. नजरों में तुम हो बसे, कह दो जो तुम एक बार मेरे हो. बस तुम मेरे नजरों में तुम हो बसे. एक तो पहले 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 से मैं हाय, तेरी अदाएं और नशे में डुबाए. एक तू ही दिखे दाएं बाएं, तेरी निगाहें और पास बुलाए. एक तो पहले 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 से मैं हाय, तेरी अदाएं और नशे में डुबाए. एक तू ही दिखे दाएं बाएं, तेरी निगाहें और पास बुलाए. कैसे करूँ बयां एहसास है नया, कैसे करूँ बयां एहसास है नया. तेरे चक्कर में मैं तो खो गया. हाय मैं क्या करूं, हाय मैं क्या करूं. तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती. लाल बिंदी में तू इतनी सोनी लगदी, लाल बिंदी में तू इतनी सोनी लगदी. हाय मैं क्या करूं, हाय मैं क्या करूं. तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती. लाल बिंदी में तू इतनी सोनी लगदी, लाल बिंदी में तू इतनी सोनी लगदी.
Oh God! So it was good that you performed at the end. So this was the showstopper performance.
Thanks so much.
Manpreet ji, he is such a passionate, performer. मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको, मतलब as he was telling, he messaged me, sir, I am not able to make it. I am in the market shopping, so I won't be able to make it today. मैंने कहा ठीक है, no worries. But still, when he reached home, he was immediately he joined. और देखो क्या, what a performance. और आप देखो मतलब English, Hindi, even Punjabi, he sings Punjabi as well, सब mix करके. And he is also Malayalam, मतलब his language is also not Hindi. And such a passionate person. And he has been joining for almost मतलब 3 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए. 3 years he has been joining ever since he came to Dubai. He has been joining us. Amazing. You have to be in, you will be in India next month also. 7th of June, you will be in India.
No, 6th I'm actually traveling back, sir.
अरे एक डिले कर लो ना, 7th June, be with us in Bangalore. We are having
You're in
an
Bangalore?
event
Okay,
there.
okay. Let me try this.
हाँ, please do that. I hope you have not finalized the tickets and all.
No, no, I have not finalized my
तो
reservation.
7th, or you can fly back from Bangalore itself ना, 7th को
Yeah,
हमारा है, like we are all
I'll
meeting in Bangalore, passion वाले.
let's do that. Let's do
Please, please, we'll get an opportunity ना to
that.
see you live also. क्या बात
Yeah.
है. जी मनप्रीत जी.
It's truly amazing. As you rightly said, definitely the showstopper for this evening, and it completely changed the mood of the mehfil. And absolutely, you are Dr. Munge. You are absolutely right. I think you knowingly or unknowingly saved the best for the last. And the fluency, I think that transition also from English to Hindi to Punjabi, it was very smooth. It did not seem that it did not seem awkward. It was really effortless, and you have that sweetness in your voice, which just flows, and with that minimalist background sound that you had, it complemented so well. Really good. I mean, it's listening to some of these yourself, Indranil, Aninde, and all. Amazing. It's been an evening very well spent for me. And
All.
Jate Jate, just one thing I would kudos to you, Rajesh ji, the platform, this platform that you have created, and how you actually get all these passionate people all together. It's really, I mean, thank you to you for creating this platform.
Its platform is all because of all the performers. तो मतलब मैंने तो कुछ नहीं करना होता, जूम ऑन करनी है, सब लोग आ जाते हैं, सब लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं. So it's been amazing journey of last 6 years.
No,
मतलब
but
रंजीत जैसे.
it's not just that. It's not easy to facilitate things like this. So you obviously allocate time, which not everybody can do, and also to be patient and tolerant of people of different caliber and capability. I think that is also not a quality which everybody has, but you clearly do. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Manpreet. Okay, we'll hear from Dr. Tajinder about the performance of Ranjit.
It's always like mesmerizing performance. मुझे तो वो ए आर रहमान की फीलिंग आती है रंजीत सर को सुन के. वो जो ए आर रहमान के म्यूजिक में होता है ना, एक अच्छी डेप्थ होती है, तो वो होती है आपकी सिंगिंग में. ब्यूटीफुल.
संस्कृति से पूछते हैं. संस्कृति, आपको रंजीत जी का कैसा लगा परफॉर्मेंस? Let's hear it from her.
Hello, sir. It was so wonderful, sir. वो feel the way you are, जब आपने इंग्लिश से हिंदी में वो ट्रांसलेशन किया, जब फिर किया, तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was so wonderful, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Means so
you.
much. Means so much.
Okay. Indranil?
Amazing performance. All three of them were really good. And I think this is your signature style with your, what is it called? Warm pad.
Yeah, it's a warm pad. Yeah, it's a scale. Yeah, it's a warm pad.
Yeah. So I think this is your signature style. Please continue doing this. And Chulo, the second song which you sang, is one of my favorite songs. It's by the local train. Very nice band. Amazing. And please do make it to Bangalore on 7.
Yes, he's also there. Indranil is also performing. So please, Ranjit, try to be there.
Yeah, I'll make it
नहीं,
happen.
this time make it show. Not try, make it show.
I'll make it happen.
जब एक ही दिन का है तो obviously you will be flying back from Bangalore only, na?
No, I'll fly flying back. I was planning to fly back from Kochi, but it's okay. Like Kochi to Bangalore is just a 1 hour flight. Then I can take it from there. So it's not.
अरे please make it this time, यार.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, Parvinder.
Ranjit, the tone, the pitch quality, absolutely spot on. See, you have an incredible control over your voice. This is something we always look for, and make your singing so studio perfect. As Dr. Tajinder was saying, एक वो A.R. रहमान वाली feel जो आती है, it's studio perfect. So it's lovely. It's pleasure, you know, listening to him every time.
Thank you so much, honestly. Means so much.
Charanya?
Lovely medley, Ranjit. As everybody was saying, it's your unique style which you perform here always. And I think the more what I look up to in your performance always, and I want to learn is whatever genre you play, even like it has a fast rhythm to it, and singing that without a track or a backing music and still keeping up the spirit and singing is it's like really challenging and you do it so well. Whether it's a melodious song or it's a like upbeat song, the medley that you create and you bring that feel just to your voice. It's lovely to do, and
Thank
the
you so much.
medley today was amazing. Thanks for that.
In fact, Ranjit, I was also surprised you were singing an English song. उसमें भी आपने you had a warm pad.
Yeah.
So I was surprised. Generally, we related with the classical music. तो आपने English song के साथ you also selected this. I mean,
Yeah. So it just gives a different feel. Yeah, the originals of the song has great backing, but I think when you sing it without backing, then you're really tested as a singer because you don't have a lot of things helping you out. Like when you have a lot of rhythm and guitars helping you, you can make a little bit of errors here and there. The music takes care of the rest. But when you sing live without it, then you're tested as a singer. So I consider each of these performances a way towards improving myself. I think from 3 years ago, if I look at my singing in Passion Valley to today, I myself can see that I feel there's an improvement, and I feel that all of these performances definitely help improving. So I see all of this as improving as an artist. So my sir keeps saying just use a warm pad, don't take the rest, because when you listen it again, you think you can understand exactly where you've gone wrong, and then you can improve. So that's why I keep a warm pad.
चलिए, huge round of applause for Ranjit, please. Thank you so much.